How to refresh your mini twists, a step-by-step guide. Mini twists are a versatile and low-maintenance protective style, but like any hairstyle, they require some upkeep to keep them looking fresh and neat. Over time, frizz and buildup can take away from their polished appearance, but a proper refresh routine can restore their original charm. Here's a comprehensive guide to refreshing your mini twists, step by step. 1. Assess your twists. Before diving into your refresh routine, examine the state of your twists. Look for frizz at the roots or along the length of the twists, product buildup or dirt on your scalp or hair, twists that are unraveling or loosening. This evaluation will help you decide whether you need a quick touch-up or a more thorough refresh. 2. Gather your supplies. To properly refresh your mini twists, you'll need the following: a spray bottle filled with water or a water-based leave-in conditioner, a light moisturizer or hair milk, natural oil for sealing, e.g. jojoba, coconut, or argan oil, edge control gel for sleek roots, a rat tail comb or your fingers for parting, a satin scarf or bonnet for setting. 3. Cleanse your scalp. If your scalp feels itchy or has buildup, start with a gentle cleanse. Use a damp cloth or cotton pads with a water and witch hazel solution to wipe your scalp. Alternatively, you can use a diluted shampoo in an applicator bottle to target the roots. Be sure to rinse thoroughly without soaking your twists to avoid excessive drying time. 4. Hydrate your hair. Hydration is crucial for maintaining the health and appearance of mini twists. Lightly mist your twists with water or a leave-in conditioner. Be careful not to oversaturate, as this can cause shrinkage and frizz. Focus on the ends, as they tend to dry out faster. 5. Moisturize and seal. Once your twists are damp, apply a light moisturizer or hair milk. Smooth the product along the length of each twist, concentrating on the ends. Follow up with a natural oil to lock in the moisture and add shine. This step prevents dryness and keeps your twists looking fresh and healthy. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 7. Address frizz along the length of the twists. For frizz along the twists, you can gently palm roll each twist with a light gel or oil. Redo particularly frizzy twists entirely, applying product as you twist. 8. Protect and set your twists. After refreshing your twists, tie a satin scarf or wear a bonnet to set your hair overnight. This helps to lay down frizz and ensures that your twists look neat the next day. You can also wear the scarf during the day if you're styling your twists into an updo or bun. 9. Style your twists. A new style can make your mini twists feel completely refreshed. Try these ideas: high or low buns, half up, half down styles, twisted or braided crown styles. Adding accessories like cuffs, beads, or scarves can also elevate your look. 10. Maintain regular care. To keep your mini twists looking fresh longer, follow these tips: sleep with a satin bonnet or on a satin pillowcase. Rehydrate your hair every few days with a water-based mist. Avoid overloading your hair with heavy products to prevent buildup. Redo the edges or perimeter twists weekly if necessary. Final thoughts. Refreshing your mini twists doesn't have to be a tedious process. With regular hydration, minimal manipulation, and proper maintenance, you can keep your twists looking neat and vibrant for weeks. Taking the time to care for your twists not only prolongs their lifespan, but also ensures your natural hair remains healthy and protected underneath. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.